On an annual basis, the global production of zircon is about 1 to 1.23 million tons in a year. While zircon can be found in many different places, the most significant mining activities are occurring in Australia, South Africa, Indonesia, and other African countries like Senegal and Mozambique. There are also smaller mining activities in other places. However, more than half of the world's output comes from Australia and South Africa combined. In terms of applications that use zircon, close to half is used in ceramics, about 20% in zirconia and zirconium chemicals, about 19% in refractory, and you've got the tiny bit of about 11% in foundry and metal casting. I would categorize the processes in three stages. The first stage is general cleanup and removal of the unwanted impurities in the ore. The second stage of the process is to separate them out into distinct minerals. Remember that zircon occurs side by side with other minerals like rutile, ilmenite, monazite, and so on and so forth. So this second stage is using different technologies that rely on the differences in the qualities of these different minerals. Example would be magnetics, electrostatics, screening, sizing by different particle sizes of the different minerals, and also the differences in the way they behave in the using the specific gravity of these minerals. So there are different techniques for separating them out. The third stage of the process is the fine-tuning, which is the aim is to deliver the required specifications of the product when you bring it to the market. And what that means is that you use similar techniques as the second stage, but with the fine adjustments and tighter tolerances embedded in how you control the process. You could also use other chemical processes in removing more of the contaminants. In the end, after doing this, the fine-tuning stage is that you have a product that is good in quality and appropriate for delivering to the market. There are three general grades for zircon in the market. The first one is the premium, the second one is the standard, and the third one is the low-grade zircons. The premium grade are the ones that was produced with high degree of accuracy of producing the quality, primarily on the purity. Premium grade zircons, they have 66% or above of ZrO2 plus HFO2, which means it's very pure. There are different kinds of standard grades, but in general, they are of higher amounts of contaminants, either that, much as compared to the premium grade, and also less pure in terms of ZrO2 plus HFO2. The mining companies and the users downstream, they cooperate on three levels. The first one is commercial, and that includes the supply and delivery of the products. And this is the area whereby issues and challenges on having the right product at the right quantity, at the right time, at the right specifications are delivered to the requirements of the users. The second category is similar to the first one, but this one delves a little bit more, which is that issues and challenges are tried to be addressed by both parties by working together. And that may involve developing new product in order to have new attributes, and that will help the downstream users. The last cooperation is at the industry level. And as we know, the Zircon Industry Association is well recognized for that we as an industry with common challenges and common issues that are being faced globally, then we can respond as one, and that we can have a more effective way of addressing those issues and challenges facing the industry. In ceramics industry, the new trends are the big slabs, the large format tiles, and the high definition tiles. Now, zircon has been used in the ceramics industry and valued for the properties it has for many, many, many years. Zircon is a very versatile material, and it continues to be so, and even more in these new trends in the ceramics industry.